The Richat structure is truly one of a kind, in that we don't see anything like it anywhere else on Earth.
Drones are revealing secrets hidden in plain sight, mysteries we never knew existed. A town shaped like a human, a cave holding ancient skeletons, a lake glowing pink. Each discovery challenges what we thought we knew. From forgotten civilizations to mysterious natural formations, these aerial glimpses uncover stories lost to time. What secrets lie beneath the surface, waiting to be found? In this video, we'll explore some of the most incredible drone discoveries that defy expectations. Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. 20. Blue Eye of Africa. From high above, where the sky touches infinity, a great eye gazes from the heart of the Sahara.
And it looked just like a giant eye from all the way up in space.
The Richat structure, often called the Blue Eye of Africa, rests in the vast, silent desert, its rings spiraling outward like ripples frozen in time. It is so immense, so precise, that even astronauts can see its form from space.
The astronauts spotted something that looked like an enormous 30-mile-wide circular shape.
As drones glide over its endless curves, they unveil a masterpiece sculpted by forces unseen. Was it the impact of a celestial wanderer? A fiery eruption from Earth's depths? For years, speculation danced around its origins. Yet the truth whispers a different tale, one of time, patience, and the slow erosion of an ancient granite dome. Layer by layer, its stones hold secrets of a world long lost, a geological memory carved into the land itself. 19th, human-like town. Imagine gazing down upon a place that seems to breathe, its form whispering an untold secret. Centuripe, a quiet Sicilian town, holds a shape so familiar, yet so unexpected, its streets and rooftops tracing the outline of a reclining figure, as if the land itself had taken human form. Pio Andrea Peri, a local with an eye for wonder, sent his drone into the sky and uncovered what no one had truly seen before. His images spread like wildfire, giving Centuripe a new name, the town that looks like a human. But was this striking resemblance pure coincidence, or did ancient hands, knowingly or not, shape something far greater than just a town? 18. The Big Face. Think of floating high above, like a bird or a drone, when suddenly a massive face emerges from the green tapestry of Halley's Quarry Park in Edinburgh. This striking image, etched into the earth, whispers of a mysterious hermit who once called this place home. Long ago, when the quarry buzzed with life, workers spoke of a solitary man living in a hidden cave. Some claimed to have seen him, though his existence was never proven, just a shadow in the stories of the past. The quarry story began in 1750, a hub of industry where 150 men toiled, carving 100,000 tons of stone each year. But in 1902, disaster struck. A flood swallowed the quarry, silencing its echoes of labor. For decades, the site lay forgotten, a dumping ground until the 1980s, when dreams of a public park took root. Financial hurdles delayed the vision, but in 2006, the community breathed new life into the land. Whether he was real or just a tale, his spirit seems to watch over this place, a quiet guardian of history and mystery. 17. The Door to Hell. Deep in the remote deserts of Turkmenistan, there exists a place that feels like a glimpse into another world. Known as the Door to Hell, this eternal fire burns brightly in the heart of a vast natural gas field. It began in 1971, when a Soviet oil rig collapsed into the earth, and geologists, desperate to prevent toxic gas leaks, set it aflame, hoping it would burn out in weeks. But the fire never stopped. For decades, the flames have roared relentlessly, casting an eerie glow in the desert night. The heat is so fierce, it's as if you're staring into the very core of the earth, standing at the gateway to something far beyond our understanding. 16th Nazi bunkers. Deep within Poland's misty forests, especially in Lower Silesia and around the serene Masurian lakes, drones have uncovered hidden relics of a past we can scarcely imagine. Beneath thick layers of nature's growth and time itself lie forgotten Nazi bunkers, silent witnesses to some of humanity's darkest days. These structures were part of the infamous OST wall, built to guard against Soviet advances. Inside these decaying fortresses, remnants of war, old weapons, personal belongings, and crumbling documents tell a haunting story. Maps, tactical plans, and coded messages reveal a glimpse into the strategic mind behind the Nazi regime. These discoveries bridge the past and present, offering us a deeper understanding of the harsh realities of war. 15th, Secret Pink Lake. Close your eyes and picture a world where water glows not in blue, but in a soft, mesmerizing pink. This isn't a dream, but the reality of Lake Hillier, a hidden wonder on Middle Island in Western Australia. From high above, it appears as a surreal splash of cotton candy, standing out against the deep ocean's blue. The secret behind its enchanting hue lies in the lake's ecosystem. Salt from the island's dry climate creates the perfect home for microorganisms like Dunaliella salina and halobacteria, which produce the pink pigment. What's extraordinary is that the color stays constant, no matter the season. Scientists are captivated, even believing these organisms could hold clues to life beyond our planet. And though the lake is protected, drones now offer us a glimpse of its otherworldly beauty, where pink meets green forests and endless blue sky. It's a sight that seems too magical to be true. 14th, Giant Sinkhole. Beneath our feet, the Earth may seem solid, yet a hidden force can quietly challenge that stability: the sinkhole. These sudden, gaping voids form when water seeps through rocks like limestone, slowly dissolving them until the ground can no longer hold its weight. Without warning, the surface cracks, pulling everything into the dark abyss below. While sinkholes are common in areas with vulnerable rock layers, like Florida's limestone base, they're not bound by borders. In 2014, a massive sinkhole appeared in Siberia's Yamal Peninsula, its sheer size and depth leaving onlookers in awe and fear. Theories suggest melting permafrost and gas release created this vast hole. A wooden ladder at its bottom only deepens the mystery. Who placed it there, and why? 13. Hidden Chambers of Mount Rushmore. Behind the iconic faces of Mount Rushmore, there was a secret waiting to be uncovered, a mysterious 18-foot door leading to a chamber meant to hold the heart of history. Gutzon Borglum envisioned this hidden space as his personal message, a place where future generations, and maybe even visitors from beyond, could feel the deeper meaning of the monument. He dreamt of an 80 by 120-foot inscription telling the story of America, alongside a grand staircase leading to a hall of records. But time and money stood in the way. Borglum's passing in 1941 left the dream unfinished, and the world saw only the faces, without the hidden truth waiting to be found. 12 Human Skeletons. In a hidden cave in the Guahu ravine, a drone uncovered a haunting discovery: 72 mummified bodies, a silent testament to a vanished civilization. The remains, 62 adults and 10 infants, are thought to belong to the Guanche people, whose roots in the Canary Islands stretch back over 1,000 years. As historians piece together the past, they believe these people might have come from North Africa, but eventually blended with Spanish settlers. What makes this find so extraordinary is the presence of infants, a rare discovery in earlier excavations. The burial practices revealed through this site, from ritual shrouds of fibers and animal skin, open a window to the Guanche's deep spiritual traditions, offering a glimpse of their sacred rituals and timeless customs. 11. The Apennine Colossus. As you stand before the Apennine Colossus, its presence is impossible to ignore. This massive stone figure, carved by the genius Giambologna, seems to breathe life into the very mountains it represents. It is more than a sculpture, it's a living, ancient guardian of the land. The story behind it is whispered through time. A fierce mountain range once defeated by Aeneas and his Roman army, now immortalized in stone. Giambologna, inspired by the mighty Titan Atlas, crafted this figure to watch over the landscape with wisdom and strength. Standing 35 feet tall, the Colossus stands as a profound testament to nature's power and human creativity, leaving all who behold it with a deep sense of awe. 10th confluence in Geneva. In Geneva, where the Rhône and Arve rivers meet, a breathtaking natural wonder unfolds. The clear turquoise waters of the Rhône flow from the serene Lake Geneva, while the Arve, rushing from the Alps, carries a muddy brown hue. When they converge, their colors dance together, yet remain distinct for miles, creating a mesmerizing contrast. Thanks to drones, we can now witness this captivating sight from above, capturing its beauty and mystery in incredible detail. These aerial views not only stir our souls, but also help researchers understand how the river's unique characteristics shape the environment, revealing secrets vital to preserving the delicate balance of life around them. 9. Primitive tribe discovered. Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a remarkable discovery was made, a hidden community untouched by the modern world. A drone sent by FUNAI, Brazil's agency for indigenous affairs, uncovered this mysterious tribe near the Juruá River. Their mission? To protect these secluded villages, ensuring their way of life endures. What did the drone reveal? Beyond ancient artifacts like stone axes and canoes, it offered a stunning aerial glimpse of the tribe's life, houses, fields, and a thriving, self-sufficient existence. These people live in peace, far from outside influence, guarding their health and culture. There may be 70 such tribes in Brazil, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding and safeguarding their world. 8. Hiker rescued from cave. In Bell Canyon, something unexpected unfolded. A drone captured a glimpse of something no one was meant to see. A hiker, lost and trapped in a shadowy cave after a sudden rock slide, had no way out. But fate intervened when a drone caught sight of his movements near the cave's mouth. The urgency was clear, and the rescue team sprang into action, guided by the drone's keen eyes. With ropes and climbing gear in hand, they navigated the treacherous terrain, pulling the hiker to safety. This moment reminded us of the quiet power of technology. Drones not only capture moments, but they save lives when every second counts. 7. Mishan Grotto. High up on a cliffside in Gansu province, the Mishan Grottos stand timeless, their Buddhist sculptures and murals whispering stories from 1,600 years ago. Yet the remote location has made preserving this sacred site a silent struggle. But then came the drones, these quiet, hovering guardians, able to reach the unreachable and capture every delicate detail in stunning clarity. With their help, experts are now able to monitor every crevice, catching signs of erosion before they become disasters. One such moment came in 2018, when a drone detected a landslide on the brink of disaster, saving the grottos from an unseen danger. 6. The spring that breathes. There's a natural wonder near Afton, Wyoming. Unlike anything you've seen before, the spring that breathes. Every 15 to 20 minutes, it pauses, only to suddenly surge, as if it's inhaling and exhaling life itself. What causes this? A hidden, intricate system deep beneath the Earth's surface. As the water level reaches a certain point, it triggers a siphon, releasing powerful bursts of water, a forceful reminder of nature's untamed beauty. When the flow stops, it waits, and when the water rises again, it breathes once more. Drones capture this mesmerizing rhythm, offering us a glimpse into both its breathtaking beauty and the secrets beneath it. This cycle, this miracle, invites wonder and exploration, offering nature lovers a place where science and awe converge. Bishinji Aramu Muru Portal. In the quiet corners of southern Peru, by the shores of Lake Titicaca, there stands a mysterious doorway carved into the heart of pink granite. Known as the Aramu Muru portal, or the Gate of the Gods, this remarkable site leaves us with more questions than answers. Rising 22 feet tall, its intricate design seems like a whisper from the past, yet its origin remains elusive. Was it crafted by ancient civilizations like the Incas, or perhaps is it a legacy of otherworldly visitors? Some believe it holds spiritual power, even as a portal to another dimension. Still, the answers remain hidden, and the mystery continues to captivate those who seek its secrets. Fourth, Kalahari Desert's fairy circles. A recent drone survey over the Kalahari Desert has revealed a mesmerizing sight: mysterious fairy circles stretching across 1,100 meters of barren grassland. From above, the camera captures a stunning pattern: empty, lifeless circles encircled by vibrant, flourishing grass. These formations, known for over 50 years, have puzzled scientists and sparked passionate debate. Some believe termites shape the land, while others suggest the grass itself adapts to the desert's harsh conditions. Dr. Gutan, an ecologist deeply invested in the mystery, has uncovered a stunning discovery. His research, guided by drone technology, shows that the grass creates these circles to efficiently manage water. This new understanding unveils the extraordinary resilience of life in the desert, shifting our focus from the mystical to the marvel of nature's quiet genius. 3. A 1,000-year-old village. A recent drone survey using thermal imaging has revealed something extraordinary about the ancient Blue Jay village in New Mexico. This small drone, once thought to just skim over the surface, uncovered secrets hidden for centuries. The village, discovered in the 1970s and dating back nearly 1,000 years, has always been mysterious, with its structures shrouded by sandstone and thick vegetation. But now, the heat signatures captured by the drone show a new layout and features, including a hidden circular structure that might have served a ceremonial purpose. It's a discovery that hints at a deeper cultural story waiting to be understood, offering glimpses into the spiritual practices of those who lived there. The journey into this ancient past is just beginning, and with each new image, the story of Blue Jay unfolds in a way we've never seen before. 2. The Guahu Caves. Nestled in the rugged embrace of the Jundu Mountains, not far from Beijing, the Guahu Caves are a silent witness to a distant past. Over 110 stone chambers stretch across the cliffs, their age lost in time, leaving us to wonder who created such a mysterious place over 1,000 years ago. These intricate rooms, with their stone beds and windows, suggest a community with a depth of purpose. Yet the true reason behind these dwellings remains hidden. Were they a stronghold, a sanctuary, or something else entirely? As drones sweep above, new chambers and paths emerge from the shadows, inviting us to uncover what once was. With each discovery, the story of the Guahu Caves inches closer to being told. Satu, Gunung Padang. Hidden amidst the mountains, about 120 kilometers from Jakarta on the island of Java, lies Gunung Padang, an ancient site that seems to whisper secrets of a forgotten past. It's a place that pulls both locals and scholars into its mystery. Some believe it might reveal evidence of a civilization far more advanced than we ever imagined, one that could even precede the builders of the Egyptian pyramids. At first glance, Gunung Padang appears humble, yet it holds an astonishing story. Local legend speaks of rocks that hum with life, creating music when struck. But the most intriguing part? The idea that beneath this mountain lies something extraordinary, possibly an ancient structure crafted by prehistoric hands. If true, this could make Gunung Padang over 20,000 years old, challenging everything we thought we knew about human history. Thanks for watching. See you next time.